Welcome to Cloud AI Pilot. Let us learn how to connect Google Cloud account with Cloud AI Pilot in few minutes. Once you log in to Cloud AI Pilot, navigate to Cloud Account section and click on Add Cloud Account button. A connection modal will appear. Click Full Guide with screenshots to open the step-by-step reference. Now open a new tab and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Open the main navigation menu and hover over IAM and Admin. Click on Service Accounts. Once the page loads, click Create Service Account at the top. Enter a name for your service account, then click Create and Continue. Now we need to assign the required permissions. Search for and select Compute Admin. Add another role, Monitoring Viewer. Next, add Cloud SQL Admin. Then Cloud Memory Store Redis Admin. This one takes a moment to search for. And finally, Storage Admin. Once all 5 roles are added, click Continue, then Done. Find your new service account in the list, open its 3-dot menu and select Manage Keys. Click Add Key, then create New Key, choose JSON and click Create. The key file will download automatically. Open the downloaded JSON file. It contains your project ID, private key, and client email. These are the credentials you'll need. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot, paste your project ID and the full JSON key content. Give the connection a display name and click Test and Connect. Cloud AI Pilot will now verify your permissions. If you see a partial match, it means a role is missing. In this case, the service account user role wasn't added. Head back to GCP. Find your service account and add it. Once the role is added, come back to CloudAIPilot and rerun the check. When all permissions show green, click Done. Your Google Cloud account is fully connected.